Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Azerbaijan and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Azerbaijan is governed by an authoritarian regime that systematically cracks down on political opposition, human rights defenders, independent journalists, and civil society organizations. Critics of the government are routinely subjected to arbitrary arrest, torture, and long prison sentences under fabricated charges. Peaceful protests are heavily restricted or banned, and activists face surveillance, harassment, and smear campaigns. The judiciary lacks independence, and due process violations are common. Religious groups that operate outside of state control, including non-registered Muslim communities and Jehovah's Witnesses, are frequently fined, detained, or harassed. Ethnic minorities, including Talish and Lezgins, have reported cultural and linguistic discrimination and limited political representation. Women and girls face domestic violence, forced marriage, and gender-based discrimination. Despite existing laws, enforcement is weak, and survivors often encounter stigma and pressure to remain silent. LGBT individuals face severe social stigma, harassment, and physical violence. While same-sex relationships are legal, there are no anti-discrimination protections, and police abuse, blackmail, and hate crimes against LGBT people are widely reported and rarely investigated. Returnees who previously criticized the government, applied for asylum abroad, or engaged in activism are at high risk of detention, interrogation, or further persecution upon return to Azerbaijan. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.